This is not gonna be a video about my BBL. As y'all see, I still got my fire on. It'll be more videos coming, but I just need a break from BBL videos. So I was sitting here about to do my hair. I'm just about to on my scalp and pin this up some kind of way, do some type of updo. So I was like, let me record it so they can see how I'm finna fix my locks. But right now, I know I can't have music on because all this copyright stuff. But I'm about to put on some type of background so it can just look cute, you know. That's all. So this right here is what I'm mixing to spread some moisturizer on my scalp. And basically, let me just do this and mute that thing. So basically, this is water, like filtered distilled water. I put some oil in there. It's olive oil and what else? What kind of oil? Olive oil. I think it's just olive oil in the water, and then a leave-in conditioner, and then I put essential oils in there. I put lemon, I put tea tree, and I'm about to throw a few drops of the peppermint in there. So this is just like my own personal moisturizer that I use because I have really, really itchy scalp. So I be needing a moisturizer that's gonna like get the job done. So I'm actually about to add a little bit more water in this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got everything in here. Mixing it up, shaking it up before I spray it. This is my moisturizer that I use. I should use it daily, but I don't. I use it like, I don't know, 2-3 days out the week. I should use it every day, but I be forgetting. So this is what it looks like once it's mixed up. So look at the background I found. It's so pretty. Anyway, that's all my hair stuff, y'all. So I'm gonna take this down. My hair is actually interlocked. So I've started it that way. I started almost about, what is it? February, May. It'll be 7 years in May. See if I can show y'all the full length. It's a little bit longer than this, of course. You see it's curled up and stuff, so, but it's a decent length. I used to go to my homegirl and get it done because I did her nails, but I'm not doing nails no more. But I loved barbering, getting my hair done, doing nails and toes. It was my thing. But yeah, I'm not doing nails on clients right now. So I actually did my hair for the first time in 5 months. I had so much new growth. I can't even tell y'all what it looked like. I don't know. Maybe y'all can. So this is how it looked. I went in and interlocked it myself. So that's how it look. So it's really dry. I don't know if y'all can tell, but let me take this glass off before I get to spraying. So the first thing I always do before I style my hair is spray my scalp. I just go in and spray it really good to get it nice and moisturized. Like I said, I have really dry scalp, so I have to moisturize my scalp often. And I just spray it and rub it in. I should have got a towel on. Okay. Let me get my towel and put it around my neck. So, spray, spray, spray. And I just part it with my hand. And spray the water in there and rub it. So and I be shaking it up as I go just to make sure everything is still mixed up while I'm using it. And it smells really good. The essential oils make it really smell really good. And they really help with the itch. Hair in my mouth. I probably overdo it with the water, but like I said, my hair is really, really dry. So I go in and massage it in. And it's gonna be a little damp, but it's okay, it'll dry fast. So I just go through and massage, massage, massage. Massage, massage, massage. And sometimes when I'm done, I just spray a little bit on the rest of them just to give it some moisture too. So I just go through and spray it down. Just a little bit. I don't want it real wet, but just a little moisture. Or sometimes I just put some in my hand and rub it and put it in there. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out, I want to put my hair up. Up, up, up. A lot of times I just wear my hair down. And the reason why I wear it down is just because I don't be wanting all that stuff all in my head and heavy and all that good stuff. But I'm going to put it up today. So I just got to figure out how. Let me see. Let me get a ponytail holder. I am the queen of using my girls' hair stuff because they got everything. They got all the hair bows, the hair ties, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start with putting it in a ponytail. So the first thing, oh, see, it's itching now. Probably because I just put all that stuff on there too, so it's like, ooh. All right, so the first thing I do is I figure out how high I want my ponytail with the first few locks that I grab. So I kind of want it up top in the middle where it can kind of like fall backwards or forwards. And then I take little pieces like this and put it in there and make sure it's smooth. If you want to get a smooth ponytail, take it in sections and put it up in sections. So I'll show you in the back what I'm doing. I basically take sections like this and pull it up. Take section and pull it up and just make sure it stays smooth, you know? It's not that hard. Y'all can do it. So sometimes it fall down because I got some locks in here that's short, some that broke, whatever. So you're going to see some fall out, but hey, it is what it is. At one point I was like, oh, I should cut them. Because it's actually because of my husband that I tried locks, because he had locks before me. And he was like, you look really nice in locks, babe. And I'm like, I don't know. But I ended up trying them, and so there is a ponytail. My edges are really thin. I'm working on that, y'all. Don't worry about that. I'm working on it. But my family edge is thin, so I got a nice little ponytail. I'm gonna put this on there. So I literally just hold this same hand right there. And then I move it once I got all the hair through. And I just wrap it twice because I don't want it too tight. Because if I got it too tight, I am not gonna keep this in my hair. I'm gonna take it out. So, yeah, this is the ponytail. So I'm gonna go a little further, and I think I'm gonna like do the little ties, the little bow ties, to make it like full. I've seen it done before and I really like it. So I just take 2 little strips of hair, like you was gonna braid it or something, you know. See? And I make a bow and tie it. And pull it all the way out as far as I can. Can y'all see the bow? I'm gonna just go through and make a whole bunch of bows. Not a whole bunch, but maybe like, I don't know, 6 or 7 of them. You could do them smaller, but I just don't feel like doing all that. I really don't be studying my hair like that, y'all, for real. I just kind of let it grow and shampoo it, condition it on my scalp, and I keep it moving. Y'all see how it's looking? So this like a quick way where I could do a bun, like a updo bun without having to use a whole bunch of, what you call it, bobby pins. I don't really like all the bobby pins in my hair. Like, I'm very simple when it comes to my locks. I used to wear every hairstyle in the book, like every hairstyle I wore in school. Braids, wraps, finger waves, bob, color, crimps, flips, asymmetrical bobs. I mean, any hairstyle you can think of besides being bald, I wore it. I wore the 27 pieces. I wore the, what was those bobs where used to be like a bob on the top and it's long in the back? I wore those. I mean, I pretty much wore every hairstyle because my family is cosmetologists and barbers. So I come from that. So that's just like what I'm used to. So I'm still doing the bows. I'll let y'all see. It's gonna be like a messy bun, but put up where I ain't gotta use a lot of bobby pins. And the ones that I feel like it's too long, I'm gonna just tuck them in. Like that. So I'm gonna do a few more bows. That's what I call them. They might got a different name, but I don't know. I just call them bows because I'm just tying bows. That's it. And I do them loose because, like I said, I don't like a lot of tension on my hair. I really don't. I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 more. And I guess it probably would look fuller if I did less. Or maybe more bows, but I want to be able to take it down easy too. I'm easy breezy, y'all, when it comes to my hair. Easy breezy. Easy breezy. Okay, so now I'm going to tuck in wherever I feel like I need to tuck in hair. Like the little ends where I stretch the bows at. And then kind of like push them. I'm not going to put any bobby pins in because, like I said, I don't like bobby pins. Me and bobby pins are not friends at all. So like right now, every time my friends do my hair, you should put edge control on there. Would y'all believe I do not like edge control at all? But I am going to attempt to try and use it. So let's see. I really need it for my little weak edges over here. And I don't be studying these brands because thus far I really ain't found no edge control that I'm just like, oh my God, I gotta use it every day. And like I said, I don't really like edge control like that, so it's not a big issue for me. So, like, I'm the type of person that I never even really wore edges like that. So I don't be trying to be all fancy with it. I just want to brush it down and slick it down so it look nice and neat. And that'd be it. Nice and neat, and that's it. I'm not really an edge person like that. And as you can see, I don't really got no sideburns, but whatever. So, ooh, scalp itching. So this is my finished updo, my bun. Nice and simple. Yeah, that's how it looks. And then if I'm feeling fancy, hold on, let me show you what I do. I'm back. So I'm gonna just wear it just like this, like keep it just like this. I like it. It's like a messy bun. I think it's cute. So if I want to be fancy, y'all, that's what I do. I bought these from the dollar store. Purple is my favorite color. So I take these and I just push them through. Ain't that so stinking cute? And I'm gonna just put 2 in there. I just brought 3 because I didn't know what I wanted to do for real. I wanted to put 2 or 3. Hold on. Get through this ponytail. There we go. So, yeah. That is so cute. I'm gonna put one in the back too. Just because I can. That's my business. Like Miss Tab say. So, this is it. This is one of my styles I do when I want to wear my hair up. And that's it. So I just wanted to show y'all something different since, you know, my YouTube channel is supposed to be about hair, nails, business, BBL, all that good stuff. I really ain't been doing other videos, but if you like my hairstyle video, my lock hairstyle video, let me know. And when I style it different, I could do another video. And I might just do another video anyway. So that's it, y'all. Hope y'all like my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Y'all have a good day. Peace.